Hello everybody. Today I will be trying to make some dad style braids for the first time ever. Usually I prefer doing the French style braids, but today I want to try something different, and as the French braids I learned them to do it myself, so I just want to expand my skills and knowledge. So I will take you with me in the journey for trying the first time. Let's see how this is going to go. Are you ready to begin? As you can see, I have already parted my hair in the middle, and I had sprayed them with the Unique One product, and now I'm going to start spraying water on them so they will be easier to move and easier to braid. What's the tutorial on how to do that, because I am not sure and I don't know exactly how I need to start. So I watched the tutorial. I'm going to put the link in the description box, and as the person said, I just need to start taking a few here, part them to three, so it will be three even parts. And then when I start praying, instead of going up the way I go always with the French braids, I put it down, all the time down. I started finding the movement of the hands, and then I realized that I wasn't taking more hair in the process. So this is going to be harder than I thought. And as you can see, I also brought a mirror here because it wasn't really comfortable trying to do it in the camera. Let's say again. Okay, so I strand my hair, and I start by making the beginning with the first strand going under the middle one. Now, to continue, I will take that and braid it also under. I will keep doing that for a while. I hope this is all going to work out. No, I have messed up. First attempt is a fail. It started good though, but later I just couldn't do it. Second attempt. Let's go. Attempt 2 has already started. It's going good so far. Let's see how it's going to finish. So this is it. Okay, for the first time I am pretty satisfied. This one starts better, doesn't finish so good. This one starts worse because I took more hair but finishes better. Here the hair is because my haircut is layered, so you know there are some ends that I couldn't tame them if I don't use gel or something, and I didn't use this time. The right side came out on the first attempt. Here I needed two, and once I figured out how I need to move my hands, it was so much easier. And because I'm right-handed, it was so much easier on the right side. I don't know, it just helped me. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're going to try more dot splits as me, because practice makes perfect, right? And see you in the next video. Bye.